and we don't pay tax for you. We don't. You live in a country of 33 million people. Ghana for Muntio, 33 million. Now, emu 750,000 and it somewhat tax. Fact, not fiction. Emu that percentage and a tax legit. Now, there Isaiah say from air mobile Ghana for year mobile say company now and so years can wait. Fremano many David no because they don't know anything about this. The only man those companies they are supposed to pay legit tax for the government to gain something from no. Yekwa na obi internal revenue ho Ghana ni ekufo do enya confidence onumu anase pani bi enya confidence onumu appointing say ko internal revenue service na ko yeden ko represent me. Ko represent me. Na the obedi to say the Jimmy for ye gumi pay di so pay dinti. Abodamfo we pay duane ne tafre ye pay from moja bia ye be tafre binti. Na oti adwuma mu ho. Na wa Jessica esanke ba buy ho no. Say 500 no tia. Na wa sheda ma buy 300. No 100. Abenye lose 100,000. And you know what's funny? The same person I was short here buy 100,000 no. Uko ni fear. I deal with some kind of mostly, but it's true. Uko ni fear. Electricity ya o use no hono. Utie. The where we are buying sikano tax yes e kwa buy ho. Where we are no. Electricity o use no fie. And see illegal connection. Mutie. Because digitization no and far ho into otumi we are illegal connection. Electricity now we are nya say bia wo di we are dia sokania keke sinisu. Mutie. Our fridge, our air condition, our fan, our kettle, the amode e wo mu nsuye. Just say our tape. One no I won't do electricity bill of Frema. I wonder why you guys forget all these deficiencies in the system and not much. Just say you close your eyes, mutu weni cry on the real truth. Because you know for a fact. Only pakroya, what can done if you illegal connection? So what the hell are these people telling us? What the hell are these people telling us? David, was assignment na media man is simple because one of who say Jimmy and enablers no. Oh, where I need oh David, I need David or dear Temu. One Namuko Shano na yan de. Oh, who numbers Nissa no dear Temu more. Because Uncle Sobejina week a baby. Na odidi atemu saa odidi atemu saa na me say odi aba ya na Otumfuo Asante hene so bi Asante hene atemu na me say na de na Asante hene akoye osi o adenti na Otumfuo akwaka say ahemfo na ye galamsey no onimom na wa ma omudin Otumfuo boni oye ya no Otumfuo akwaka say onimom wa iwo galamsey ni mo edi sa adwuma no ntini wo munyai Nana atu the numu say munyai ni yenimo. I say I didn't na nana akokasa. Nana ye dishonest. Na akwa we afa Asante ni na eni onyam. Mo Asante fo no so asebi mprebiasa. Mesre meka. Jimmy sem akoshe makoma mu ni madwene mu ma. Na mu nim say sebe politics ebeto culture. Politics ebeto amamre. Na Asante eni onyam. Asante ye glory. Obijina ho dina tem left right center. Usio ya more fire because or talking about galamsey. Let me be some my doing eduma. Send na bi ba so person ko galamsey ya. Eya wan no onyo ko galamsey na. Enkokrafo no sesako. Enya mabunu na. E mabunu na ye de free education ba yo mo si o mo nko. Mabudu na woman kwa takwa mines, takwa school of mines. Enko suya responsible mine 6 months keke. Woman farmer ya galamsey almost woman yen. Woman na him funu so mu na omo de omo akoyesa. Last me beside that ben won say or hini bia se na hinema etutu ntuma ejina galamsey mu horo ida. Why be that? Because the Ghanaian youth has forgotten say so what is the kakra ubenya free galamsey mu na. You are the who you young go na na when you obe wako wo jiskani dia ye japade dia janema said the beya ne ma embewu wo pitim said the beya pit enkobu enkum ne ma wo so no waje kakra wudi ntino wo se boko se nsuo na nsuo hu hia dasa. How water is important for the survival of humans and even the world. Would you put money ahead of the safety of your water bodies? Now, we be blame politician, be blame who be na akwa galamsey in sebi a minister in the good year. And ya mo Jimmy for boys ya some free education and most of Ghana is screaming, the youth are crying. No. Mo create education. Say ya chira mo na wan kasa obetumi ade wo ho. Wan kasa obeye wo boss no. Wo hini the video. Second fire from the tiriso. Say then yo, why you watching say mo educate Ghana for idea mo enjoy we brochire. Just say it is appalling and very disheartening to see say we be to kwan ambulance ya dia o use ambulance abagana. O see yenyen ko tu sa aban ngo. Fix the country. You better fix him with three so no pampas wa mama. Freedom fighters, you be fighting for Munkwasi, any moon, Munkwasi, tea, Munkwasi, a conswam, because my boy, madam. When to meet me, do ya really tell Mudo, Dr. Ren, King David, you say, why, any of Fiamo Pencil Hill, and one in now, when Jimmy to me, do one more sasono, when ya kwasi and puff for the dog, Namonsa Mobana Mobecasa, a yamonfa fact and Casa. Muti, Mobana Mobecasa, a yamonfa fact and Casa. Boss, that video be now. Dr. Ren, now all explaining freedom fighters, no. Oh, me patrol wa catch them so let's move on to the next one. Omu program ya omu ya. Man we say me ba last time the program say. You for the call on no no be NTA. Ni explanation or dem. Last me be can say. Say about the political freedom, Ghana has gained independence since what? 1957 anamebwa. Say about economic freedom, let's have a debate. Dr. Ren, are you listening to me? Since you choose not to reason, since you have chosen to just be a fool in dark clothes with dark mind, no, I would lighten you up a bit. Me trade kakra to muna ohwapo. Uti. Say ubejina ho. Let me take it from this angle, so that somebody who is also watching will know why I say all of these things. Say ubejina ho. Dr. Ren, say, I'm fighting for an economic freedom. Fighting for economic freedom. And the first thing you look at, we have something we call benchmarks. Dr. Ren, I'm teaching you a bit. We have benchmarks. Are you listening? And then we have a starting point. Adiana may start here free.